I think countrymen will always be indebted to Dr. Manmohan Singh, who had not only brought economic reforms to the country, but in 10 years as Prime Minister and 5 years as Finance Minister, he brought many changes, not only in Indian economy, but also in governance, which will always be remembered.
Even opposition calls him a great administrator and gave to a financial advisor to the country to save the country.
Yes, opposition will also appreciate, all political parties always appreciate his contribution, and I think nobody can criticize him. You cannot criticize him. There is no allegation against him. He was dead honest. His honesty was, on a different level. He was very careful about government expenditure also. He used to save government money, never used to, unnecessarily spend money on his setup. So that way, Manmohan Singh will always be remembered not only an honest Prime Minister, honest Finance Minister, but also as a great human being.
You were a member in his cabinet. You were a family member in his team. How do you remember him, sir? Any instances that you can?
Well, I was planning minister under him, and number of times, often I used to sit with him to take his directions and used to report him. Always, he used to tell not many things to me, which were very useful in planning commission. We used to implement on his suggestions, and he wanted to, he was very worried about the employment situation. So this skill development program was launched by him because he said the only way you can, solve this problem is to provide the facilities for skill development of the people, and that way he succeeded also. Now there is a full-fledged ministry also of skill development. That was also his, contribution to the governors. And after 1991, after Chandrasekhar government, when country was in deep recession, Dr. Manmohan Singh brought economic reforms, and those reforms are still continuing.
The IT sector, which is India, is one of the
information technology sector, and the banking reforms, the economic reform, Manrega, food security, and a number of other schemes he brought. So I think he has contributed a lot to the country. Country should always be indebted to him.